It wasn't nobody's, it wasn't my mama, wasn't no self-help houses, wasn't no records, it wasn't no flames, dancing with somebody new. Tequila made me crazy, cold beer wouldn't do, so I whiskeyed my way over you. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Guitar Lessons. Gonna teach you guys how to play Whiskeyed My Way. If you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments. Please hit like and subscribe as well. Okay, so super great Morgan Wallen song. Standard tuning, as you can see, there's no capo, so makes it super easy to play. You're only going to use a handful of chords on this song, all right? So I'm going to show you two different ways you can strum it. I'm going to show you a very simple way that even any beginner could do. And then I'm going to show you the way that I was just doing it, which I think sounds a little bit better if you kind of break them up. So you could, when you start the song, you're going to start with D, okay? So D, you're just going to put your ring finger right there, okay, on the 3rd fret on the B string, all right? Put your middle finger, all right, goes on the 2nd fret on the little E string, and your pointer finger goes right there, okay, 2nd fret on the G string, okay? All right, so that's D, and then you're going to do B minor. All right, so you're going to bar from the 2nd fret down on the A string, and then you're going to go put your ring finger right there, okay, 4th fret on the D string, pinky goes on the 4th fret on the G string, and then your middle finger, okay, it goes right there. It goes on the 2nd fret, sorry, the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? All right, if you can't bar it, just don't bar it. Just play it like higher up instead of barring, okay? So, and then you're also gonna use A. That's gonna be the starting. You will also use G. You can use this G, or you can use this G. I think this G sounds more accurate for this song, but it's up to you, whatever's easiest, okay? So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with down, 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 down. Okay, so you just do that twice. You do D, B minor, A twice with no lyrics, and you're just doing down, 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 down. Okay, so now you can do that strumming pattern throughout the whole song. You don't have to, and I think it sounds better if you don't. So stick around to see the way that you play it, for the way that I think you should strum the chorus, okay? But you can do that for the chorus as well. So you're gonna do, after the 2nd time of doing D, B minor, A, you do that twice. The 2nd time you're gonna start singing. So you're gonna do, you thought I'd die when you said goodbye. For a minute I thought that I would. So you're gonna keep playing that. So I'm gonna show you where you do, just for the first verse and the chorus, I'll show you where you play the chord. So for D, you're gonna do, you thought I'd die, so D is on you. You thought I'd die, and you is B minor. You said goodbye. Okay, goodbye is A, goodbye. For a minute, okay, minute is D. Minute I thought that I would. Okay, so would, you do B minor, A, all right? A, there, okay, there is D. There for a while, couldn't even, okay, even is B minor. Even fake a smile. Smile is A, smile, even if is D. If the bad joke sounded good, okay, good is B minor, good. Then you do A, okay, good, just like that, okay, good. All right, then you're gonna do D again. I went, okay, on went. I went off the rails, thought hell, okay, hell is B minor, hell might as well. Well is A, well, rock bottom. Bottom is D. Rock bottom was calling my name. Okay, name is B minor, name. And then you do A right after. So you're probably getting the pattern right here, all right? Name. Okay, then you do D on but looking back now, I oughta. All right, I is gonna be B minor. I oughta be. And then when you say B, it's A, B, and then moving. Okay, moving. The moving is going to be D. The moving on Hall of Fame. All right. So you could just do fame and then mute. You don't have to mute. You don't have to do the single strum. You could just kind of do whatever you think sounds better, but you're going to do fame. It wasn't. Okay, so here is where you do G. So for the intro and verses, you're only doing D, B minor, A. Then when you go to the chorus, you're going to do G. It wasn't is gonna be G. Wasn't my buddies, and see you can do that same one. Wasn't my buddies, it then you're doing A, so you're doing G, A, D to start. So you're gonna do G, it wasn't my buddies, it wasn't. Okay, it wasn't is A, wasn't my mama, it wasn't. Okay, the third wasn't is D. Wasn't no self-help how. Okay, how to. How is going to be B minor. How to. And then after 2 you do A. It wasn't. Okay, and then again you do G on wasn't. Wasn't no records, it wasn't. Okay, then wasn't was A. Wasn't no flames or dancing. Okay, dancing is D, so that's easy. Dancing with somebody new, B minor, A. Alright, so you're doing G, A, D, B minor, A. G, A, D, B minor, A. Okay, so that's what you're doing here. Alright. With somebody new. And you do tequila's G. Tequila made me crazy. Cold beer. So that here you're doing G, B minor. Okay. Cold beer wouldn't do, so I whiskeyed. Okay, so here you're doing G, B minor, and then you do G, A, D. Alright. So I whiskeyed my way over you. Alright, then you're going to do that. Just hang on D a little bit. You saw me out on a Friday downtown. Okay, then you just kind of go into the second verse. Now the other way that you can play it is the way that I was playing it at the beginning. Okay, so you can do... So I'm just doing down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I'm going to show you slower. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down. So that's how you're doing it. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Okay. So you could do it like that, and you'll play it a little bit faster than I was just doing. That was a slowed down version for you. So, it wasn't my buddies, it wasn't my mama, wasn't no self-help how-to, wasn't no records, it wasn't no flames, dancing with somebody new. Tequila made me crazy, cold beer wouldn't do, so I whiskeyed my way over you. You saw me out on a Friday downtown. So you don't have to stop there. You could, but I was just kind of, riffing around a little bit. But so that's how you play the song. It's super easy, okay? Then the only other part you might need to know, because the second verse is the same, second chorus is the same, is the interlude is just D, B minor, A, okay? So that's what you do. So when you say whiskeyed my way at the end of the second verse, you're just going to keep doing B minor, all right, A, G, okay? A, and then you do D, D, B minor, A. Okay, so you do D, B minor, A. All right, and then for the bridge, you're just doing D, B minor, A, D, B minor. Okay, so you're just doing oh, keep on working. Oh, pour it on this hurting. Okay, then you hurting, and then you're gonna do it wasn't my buddies, it wasn't. So then you just start over again with the chorus, okay? Super easy to play. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. It's been a lot of fun, and I'll see you next time.